often should you be deep cleaning your kitchen? While the kitchen is the center for most homes, it can easily be neglected when it comes to cleaning. Certain areas of your kitchen need to be cleaned more often than others. Let's start with your fridge. When was the last time you pulled everything out and went through your drawers, shelves, and even those salad dressings and sauces that have been sitting in there for months? It is recommended that you clean your fridge every 3 months or quarterly. By doing this, you're able to check expiration dates and keep bacteria from growing. You can habit stack this with doing a pantry clean out. By taking everything out of the pantry, you are able to more accurately see what you have. Again, being able to check those dates and clean the shelves, reorganize those foods, make them go into those similar categories. Next up is the oven, which also needs to be cleaned every 3 months too. This one is important to pay attention to due to the fact that grease and food debris can actually build up over time and create strong smells and odors. This can actually affect the taste of your food. If you're someone that loves making coffee, you will definitely want to be checking out your coffee maker. If you're using your coffee maker daily, it would be recommended that you clean around and throughout the coffee maker and make sure you replace those filters. Whenever the National Sanitation Foundation did a swab of over 22 homes, they found that yeast and mold had made a home in half of the coffee maker water reservoirs. That'll make you want to think twice. While your dishwasher cleans your dishes, have you ever considered, is it clean itself? Cleaning your dishwasher at least once a month can keep your dishes clean and shiny. This is certainly true if you live somewhere with hard water. Making sure to clean the filters and sprayers will help the dishwasher run more efficiently. You will also need to take a look at your garbage disposal once per month to clean the splash guard and clean out any food buildup. Last but not least, pulling out your fridge away from the wall and cleaning behind it at least twice per year. You may be asking yourself, how can you remember to clean all these places? You can set a reminder by putting it on your calendar with the help from Siri or Alexa.